Need to update the date or amount for your SIP but not sure how? No worries, it's a quick and easy process. Let's go through the steps. First, open the Groww app and go to the mutual fund section. Then click on the SIP tab to view all of your ongoing SIPs. Next, select the SIP you wish to modify. Once you're on the SIP details page, tap on change amount/date. Here, you can update the amount you want to invest each month or change the date when the payment is deducted. After making your changes, click on Save Changes. Review the updated details and then click Confirm to finalize the modifications. Alternatively, you can go directly to the SIP section under Mutual Funds and follow the same steps to modify your SIP. Keep in mind that if your next SIP installment is scheduled within the next 2 working days, the changes you made will apply only to future installments. And that's it. You've successfully updated your SIP date or amount. If you need further changes, you can always modify them anytime. See you in the next video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.